First, let's choose the song we want. I personally use Epidemic Sound. To avoid any copyright issues with music, first, we'll import the song into CapCut and then drag and drop it onto the timeline. For this tutorial, I'll trim the song to about 15 seconds. Now let's zoom in on the timeline. I'll create 2 copies of the song, because I want to separate the beat and the vocals onto different layers to copy. Simply select the layer, then right-click and choose Copy. Next, let's move the play head to the beginning of the clip. Right-click again and select Paste. Alternatively, you can use the usual shortcuts. Finally, click on the volume icon to mute the track. You don't want to hear Let's Start with the beat. Select the song and right-click, then hover over Vocal Isolation and click on Remove Vocal. It'll take less than a minute to complete. Let's listen. The result is amazing now. Let's create our vocals. First, mute the beat track. Next, select the layer above the beat we created. Hover over Vocal Isolation again, but this time, click on Keep Vocals in No Time. We have a clean vocal separated from the beat. Let's play it. That's a very clean vocal. I really can't believe that. We isolated it from the beat. Let's unmute both the beat and the vocal to hear the original song. Careful, let me know your thoughts on this awesome AI trick in the comments below.